Development of a new operations strategy model to create integrated organizations. By R. Jayaraman. Continuous manufacturing industry, CMI, was where the Industrial Revolution picked up steam and mass-produced its way to industrial glory. Beginning with Henry Ford's Model T, things have come a long way, especially in making the CMI more and more competitive by using technology, management and human resources confluence. As organizations became larger in size, with wider and deeper product mixes, CMI faced many challenges in keeping productivity high and costs low with consistent, high quality. Competitive markets demanded nothing less. In the 1950s, total quality management was introduced into organizations to increase productivity manifold. Following this method, many CMI companies improved their market positioning and became leaders in their chosen fields. Companies like Toyota, Ford Motors, General Electric, Nippon Steel come to mind. Following the TQM's highly successful performance for over 40 years, MBNQA, the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award, USA, was introduced in 1987 in US companies to create overall excellence in all parts of an organization, leading to integrated companies as the ultimate goal for sustained performance by using the MBMPE, Malcolm Baldrige model for performance excellence. The Balanced Scorecards, BSC, methodology, as an instrument of designing, cascading and communicating strategy, was introduced in 1992. Operations excellence is an outcome of a well-designed, monitored and skillfully implemented operations strategy, OS. This chapter traces the evolution of a OS wheel model of operations strategy for CMI deployed using the MBMPE. Using BSCs to achieve performance excellence and sustained competitive advantage. The model was applied in a large-scale CMI company in India over a period of 15 years, a longitudinal study, the description of which will demonstrate its utility. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.